Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Before you leave this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I love you all. May God continue to bless you all. So today is another video. I'll be doing how I install my wig. So normally I wear this closure wig, the one I will just put and remove. You know, that is what I always wear. So this ear to ear round or those 360. So I don't normally wear it on my video because of my work, time. So now we have free time, because of this situation of quarantine, So I decided to make a video how I install my wig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, how I install my wig, just stay to the end. See you on my next video, and please be safe, keep safe, be safe, yeah. So see you on my next video. Love you all. Choosy, ciao, 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 choosy. Love you all. Bye. So this is the wig I'll be doing. I'll be installed on my hair. Is old wig. I've used it just once. So just once. I make a video of me cutting the excess lace. So excess lace. So I lost the video at the end. So let's. So I got this wig from Amazon. Yeah. I got this wig from Amazon. It's a 22 inches. Yeah, it was 22 inches. So 22 inches. It came with a comb, this little comb here by the back side, and it came with 4 combs. So everything, both sides is also comb, which I removed already, and the middle side is comb. So I'm the one that fits this band. So I'm the one that fits this band. It didn't come with the band, so it was bigger than my hair. So that is why I have to put this band. So we'll be doing how I install my lace, how I glue it. So that is what we'll be doing today. So I'll be using this got2b spray gel, because if you don't want to use it, for me, if I don't want to use it for the next day, it will be easier for me. It will be easier for me to remove the wig, remove it with water, spray water and remove it. And with this got2b gel, so I can carry it for maybe for 1 week or for 4 days. So that is it. That is how I do my own. So yeah, first of all, I will use my powder. Yes. So I will use my powder. So it also came with this elastic. So I'm trying to fix the elastic band to make it tight on my hair. I always take it from front to my back. So I wear the wig from front to back. That is it. So I'll first of all check both sides. Which one is okay. If it's okay for me, so I'll just check both sides. So I tried to cut a little bit of excess lace so out of it, yeah. So you know, when you are cutting the lace, you don't have to cut it straight like the way I cut mine. So you have to cut zigzag. It will bring the natural look. So that is it. So let's keep on doing, just manage it now. So I'll push it back. So I'll take it back. Spray. You are so good. It's so good. So I will use my fan. So I will do it second time again. When you touch it, it's getting tacky, as in gummy. So you can start to install the wig. So I will use my 2 fingers, the 4 fingers to hold it, the other side and this side. So after that, as you can see, the lace is not my skin tone. So what I'll be doing now, will use my foundation to lay the if you want to tie it, you can tie the hair. So I'm using this, my hair tie. So I will leave it for some minutes, 20, like 10 minutes. I will tie it down. So let me do the makeup and let's tie it together. I'm coming back. Yeah, I'm back with this hair. I'm back with the makeup and the hair. So when I was styling it, I had to put it in bond. So my camera just switched off. So I don't know, my camera was switched off. So this is the look. This is how it looked like. This is it. So no, it's not that so difficult. That is how I install my wig. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Love you all. Ciao. Juicy.